gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, main bitch in the figure.
Contemplating, meditating, still waiting, shouldn't have dated. I'm contemplating, meditating, still waiting, shouldn't have dated.
Channel. So as you guys see, I'm at the airport and look at the plane taking off. Airport, y'all. We're gonna catch our flight. We start boarding at 8:18 and it's 8:02. So yeah. And we have Starbucks. We have juice, Zai, Mom, Pooh, Faden, and everybody. Hey y'all, so they switched our gate. We didn't have to walk that far. They literally switched it to like 2 blocks down. So, to update you guys. And yeah, I'll probably give y'all a little montage when we get on the plane, and then I'll pick up the camera when we get there, because I think we're gonna go get food when we land, because it's gonna be around like dinner time. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned and I'll see y'all later.
Ain't no name I gave her one. She did a thing with me. Treat you good, you play with me. I like good girl. I like good girl. It's good to come outside.
Now parking is 50 a day.
Boom.
Yeah, y'all.
Bro, move. Bro. Alright, we just got our motherfucking jump. I will tell you. It's cool in this jump.
I just want to eat something.
It's like now, they get some hype, so I don't really get him hype. Okay.
Let's do the check. So he got on this hoodie, UA, of course, y'all. That's all he wears. Okay, y'all. This is a pretty little thing, Louis.
With the Devinnsimon, oh my god, with the LV
not too
bag.
much, you know. And yeah.
UA cap. Shit, with the Nike.
How you mix UA and Nike?
With the UA pants. With the UA shoes. With the Nike socks. I bet you got a Nike socks. With a white tee. UA socks.
Puma socks.
Tell us who really looked the best. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 2. Day 1 technically. Day 1 technically, but day 2 because we got here yesterday. Y'all, we got here yesterday. It was a little bit of a hassle trying to get the rental car because our flight, we landed in Miami, Florida airport when we were supposed to land in Fort Lauderdale. But the rental car situation, that took a while. We finally got a rental car. Made it to the hotel. We got food. We went to Target to get a few things, and then we kind of walked around, got some food again. What else did we do? We kind of were just, oh, and then we went to the mall. So I literally didn't film any of that because y'all know how the first day goes. But I promise you guys I'm gonna be filming this for the rest of this trip. I have any set plans, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower because I'm not gonna lie, we got in really late last night at like 12 and I was so tired, so I literally just crashed, and that's not like me, so y'all know I was tired. But excuse how I look right now. I'm about to go get in the shower and I'll get back to you guys either when we're in the car. I think we're gonna go get brunch right now at this brunch place that I found. It looks so yummy, so I think I'm gonna get to you guys once I'm dressed or at the brunch. What you gotta say?
I guess I know.
Say my name is Saint.
Get my money.
Say my name is Saint.
Get my money.
Yeah, hold it. It's heavy. There you go. Now record. You recorded. Now film mommy.
Okay.
Hey y'all. Oh wait, this lighting is so bad. Hold on. Hey y'all. So couldn't talk to y'all in the elevator, but I'm gonna give y'all an outfit check. It's a brunch. So let's do it. So chrome heart necklaces, jeans from jeans, and then so yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when we get to the restaurant. My mom, mommy, say hi. Hi. She looks so pretty. Everybody looks so good. Let me see. Look, give her the whole fit. Hey.
Oh, we're going right here.
Fit check, Juice. Come on. Y'all doing it all together?
Blessings with the roostocks, the LV bag,
Yeah, this nigga
with the Cardis, and then this was like
Just how you get a haircut?
135. Like 135, huh?
How you get a haircut?
No, come on,
Period. Y'all kind of matching with the skirts today. Hold on. I just picked y'all fake matching today. Show them your outfit, man.
Show me your outfit.
Look, say cheese.
Oh yeah.
He looks so he looks so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna call y'all back as soon as we get to the restaurant. Also, y'all, we made it. I gotta figure out what I want to eat. My camera's a little blurry, but I'm gonna figure out what I want to eat and I'm gonna get back to you. Y'all, look at my latte.
No, you fine. Go ahead.
It literally has my face in it. Y'all, I drank some because I took pictures. I literally forgot to record because I was being
So that's cool. And that's so. And y'all,
it's so
the
good.
weekday.
Oh, wait.
4 hours. Yeah, I feel like y'all.
Very good, y'all. I'm gonna get back to you guys when our food is here. Look at this. And then I'll do the stuffed Nutella French toast. Alright. And then I'll have a side of the 2 eggs and 2 slices of bacon. The egg scramble? Yes. Okay. You got it. Y'all, the food is out. I got Nutella French toast. French toast. French toast. Bacon and a side of eggs. Now my hair look a little crazy. Alright, y'all, let's try it.
Ladder to chef. After that. Going in. I didn't have push-ups last night. No, he did. No, he didn't.
Mommy.
He said the video good.
Mommy. Come on, eat this.
Give me here. Let me.
It's nice and fluffy, like the.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to Target and we're about to get like 50 things. We're about to go ATV riding at 4 to 5 and then we're going, I'll tell y'all where we're going later. We just need a couple of things, so I don't know if I showed you my shoes, y'all, but they're so cute. Y'all, we are in Target. Can't hold this like this.
We can rock these pants.
Can't hold this. All this stuff. Okay, so I'm getting this for ATV riding with these biker shirts I'm wearing. And then y'all look at this set. It's so cute. And then this is
But that's not sweet, bruh.
But I'm spending so much money.
What fit?
So I need to stop. I don't know which one I want. Kidding. Should I get this? The red? Should I get the red? Or the gray? Red or gray? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Red or gray?
Bruh, gray.
Kaden, so you don't like this? Kaden, wait.
Can you tell us? I mean, give me one.
You don't like this?
Oh, and the vlog is crazy.
Oh yeah, I'm cutting that out. Alright y'all, so I think I'm gonna get this stuff. I don't know what the total is gonna be, but let's go check out. I don't need to spend no more money. I put that bathing suit back. Oh, this is cute. Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm gonna wear that to ATV. Like,
What's up, cuz?
is this one better? Is this one better?
Fit check, fit
Then
check.
this one? Then this one?
I have no drip on.
What's the shirt?
Kaden, is this one better than this one? Better?
Fit check, fit check.
No. Alright, y'all.
I need pee. What's the battery?
What's the glasses?
Oh, the glasses is no brand, baby, but everything else.
Chrome heart.
Let's see.
What's the shorts?
Pretty little things.
Okay. Balenci's. Okay now.
They say, alright, come on, let's check it out. Wait, where's the checkout?
Cuz.
Is there a bathroom? I need to piss, bro.
You piss outside.
Who knows for piss out? I ain't get no white teeth.
They don't have no shoes. Cuz, you wanna go into these?
What's good?
Oh, for the hotel? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't need to.
Y también arreglé esto.
Oh, get the lady. Well, wait till I'm done. Because she needs to take that tag off. Are you recording? This one don't have a thing. Back real quick. Or stay right here. Stay right here. I need to go get it. Okay, but let's see how much I spent. Okay. Wait, where did I put the receipt? Oh, right here. Yeah, we did pretty good. $81 flat. Now we're gonna go back to the telly. Are you recording? The telly, and then we're gonna change and then we're gonna go ATV. So I'll call you back as soon as we get there.
Something different about you, the way you hit and snatch you. They give me lick on your tattoos, that's true that I like. I feel me, that man with the bitch on it.
They hate you. Alright, y'all, so we on the way to ATV. Look, y'all. Y'all have to. Well, look at these two dummies. But look, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. What's up, man? Rice. Go.
What's a beetle, bro? Relax on that, bro.
What happened,
But they be straight to the camera.
Hey, y'all. Chopping it off the phone because I can't bring my camera with me on the ATV. But we checking in. And it's in this weird place. It don't even look like Miami over here. But, hey, y'all.
Don't it look like, Mo, don't this jump look like a, like a bandit, like jump? Like, I know, right? Like the U-Hauls look like it's a bandit. Like, come on, man. This is super crazy.
He's not gonna go on anymore, guys, but yeah, I feel like I'm getting bit up. Look at my pepper. Whoa. I feel like I'm getting bit up. Yeah, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit, y'all. Is it tea? Alright, y'all, we in there. Alright. Hey. I'm scared. Alright, y'all, we gotta go. I can't even see that, huh?
It's low.
She about to take me no hands, got nigga can't even see me on wins. She about to fly me no hands, she about to fly me on wins. She about to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here if we fight this guy. Hermes ass from the bottom of my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Fucking on Zeus and she calling me daddy. So no shit, turn it up, I ain't gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a bitch, she good. Working 2 million in the build of my hood. Then my mother made out of the sword. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking niggas that look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, this off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bendos, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. Ain't no one met.
Hey y'all, so this vlog is a little crazy, but we just made it back to the house after ATV, and we're about to go back out and be in Miami. Wearing this Skins 2-piece, something cute with the Celine hat, Lindsay bag. So I just threw this on because we had to get in the shower real quick and throw something on. So yeah.
She about to take me no wins, cat nigga can't even see me on wins. She about to fly nigga wins, she about to fly me no way out of here. She about to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ass for the dark, my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Working 2 million in the middle of my hood.
Hey y'all. So it's currently 12:10 a.m. and we ended up trying to go to this little place, but it was 21 and up. And y'all know we got Zay with us.
These your fries.
So we couldn't go, which we should have looked at the thing before we went, but we didn't. So now we on like this little rooftop at our hotel, and we're probably just gonna eat our food.
I might go upstairs and change my clothes though.
And probably, you know, and then go to sleep, cause we do got a photo shoot tomorrow. But I'll probably hit y'all tomorrow because we're not really doing anything. Hey y'all, it is a new day. It is Sunday, no, it's Saturday, and we're about to head to the pool just for a little 1-2. I don't know where Juice Flash thing is. We took our pictures this morning, which I didn't film because we were kind of rushing and late, and y'all know how that goes. But let's see where today takes us. Hey y'all, sorry, I was kind of rushing, but I'm in the, I almost said airplane. I'm in the elevator. Y'all look at my outfit. Isn't it so cute? I'm about to get into it later, but I'll talk to y'all later because people come in. I know y'all tired of seeing me in here. Whoa.
That's the end of the jet ski.
Look. So y'all, we went to the pool, but it literally started raining, as y'all can see. So we just came back up and we got in for a little bit. I took pictures, and then I couldn't record me taking pictures because I had to use my SD card on this camera for Juice's camera because his SD card, he left it in the room, in this room, and we didn't feel like coming all the way back upstairs. But anyway, so it started raining.
Is that here, Mom?
Yeah, so mommy, hold on y'all. It should be in here. So right now we're headed to go get food, and the boys are probably gonna ride jet skis. This is what I have on. Sunken Girl Chew. Got this from Target. What is this from?
Come on, let's go.
Pretty Little Things. And I have my Devinnsimon.
Okay, let's show your bag, right?
Huh? Yeah. Devinnsimon slides, and yeah, we just gonna get food. So that's what we get there. I'll probably call y'all back as soon as we start doing something.
Yes. What up? I love burger.
Everybody eat Burger King? Burger King, they Burger King.
Same.
So,
I'm gonna show y'all what we could do.
Don't play down, Katie.
Oh, for my thing?
Times for my
We'll be back, y'all. Hey y'all, so we just made it to this balloon museum, and we're gonna see what it's about.
What's up, y'all? Y'all see the fly nigga?
Oh Lord, he's just taking over the vlog.
Y'all see me?
Watch out.
Got the ice on.
Here we go, y'all. It's like a balloon museum or something like that. So
He was the last one.
let's see.
First one in there, yes.
Oh, it's cold. Oh.
I might put you in your throat.
Oh, it's so dark. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wait.
So,
Oh,
no, you can use the camera, just not the stick. The camera.
okay.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam, I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Yeah, you thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah, girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Now.
take pictures and have a time. Period. Hold on. Y'all, this is the outfit. I literally just bought these. I bought them from Target, talking about some I'm wearing them for school. I am wearing them for school, but they were just so cute. I had to wear them today. So yeah.
Girlie, y'all see us. We got the party bus right here.
Wait, that's not no party.
As y'all see it, that looks cool. And we got the inside right here. And we downtown out in Miami. So I really like.
Are you even recording?
Yes.
Oh, go ahead.
So like I really want to go to Hill Home.
Well, you gotta put the camera up. Put it up like this. And you can see yourself like this.
Alright.
So you can see yourself, boy. Wait, let it focus. Alright, there you go. Oh, okay.
Alright.
Tell them we'll be back later.
We'll be back in like 1 minute. Deuces, love y'all guys.
Okay.
You don't like to see shit, can you say it?
Wait, now you want to act like you want to vlog.
He about to say something. You better not.
Dun, dun, dun. I know you want it. I see you trying. Thank you, cameraman. Thank you. Bring it down. Oh, wait, you gotta put it down.
What's up, y'all? We back in another banger. Y'all see the prettiest girl. Look.
The baddest. The baddest.
Yeah, we all bad, period.
Everybody here bad. Period.
Hey, yo, Juice, where the glasses at?
Let me see the cam. Let me see the cam.
Ooh, yeah, whatever. I got on my face.
Who they feeling like,
Show me.
y'all? Who they feeling like? Hold on. Let me get the whole. Oh,
You see her? Yeah, you see
Who
me?
you feeling like? Who you feeling like?
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. We back with another hit.
What's up, Mom?
Say what's up, y'all.
Give me this. You say what's up to the pictures. You about to take your pictures? Want to take pictures, Zay?
Alright, I'm gonna
Come here, Zay.
look at them. Look at behind the scenes with the island. Hurry, Juliana.
I say hi.
It's not connected to the light.
Sorry, y'all. This dude. What's up, Transfer Baby? It's your boy. What's your boy? What's up, family? Oh, shit. Like that. So we back. With the cam, y'all. We done been out. You see us? We outside. We out. Y'all see the car. But what's up, bros? We back with the game.
Only record stuff that's good. Yeah.
The vlog. The bad girl right here. You see her? Oh, she did a 360. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Look with another banger. We just had a long drive to Miami, and we came from Florida to Miami, and this is so cool. Thanks for all the subscribers, and like thanks, love you. Like we're nice kids. I'm a nice kid. I'm a nice vlogger. I look so
so bad, y'all. Like, it's cause like we've been doing a lot there and everything. Like, I look a hot mess, but we outside parlaying. It's 11:05. We got a flight tomorrow at 7, so we're gonna wake up at like, I think we waking up around 3, and then we're gonna leave at 4:30. And then, cause we gotta leave, we gotta leave so early.
Him and I knew she was.
We gotta leave so early because we're in Miami and our flight takes off from Fort Lauderdale, so we gotta drive like kind of far, not far, but like, y'all know what I mean. Oh my God, I regret putting on this shirt because I thought it was gonna be like breezy, cause it was breezy, but it's kind of hot. Y'all, I'm chatting your head off per usual. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Alright, let me show y'all what I'm wearing. So I got these from Target and they're so freaking cute and they're supposed to tie like this before y'all say something. And I have slippers. Yeah, I have slippers on with my Gucci size because the floor is wet because it was raining. But anyways. Oh yeah, we're just parlaying, we're chilling. Yo, I feel like this vlog has been all over the place, and I haven't focus, and I haven't really gave y'all a tour of the hotel, but I'll do that right now. No, it's actually really nice. So this is like the outside part that we're at. The pool is up here, y'all. This is where I was at. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know. Well, y'all don't know. But the pool is so nice. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of that. That's very aesthetic.
Step in.
Why?
I might try to do something. I can't even reach that hoe. I can't reach that hoe.
Y'all, this is where I took my pictures at. Yeah, this is where I took my pictures on Instagram. Y'all know. Oh. And y'all, they got flowers. And it's another part, but I haven't been to that part yet. Oh, and then we usually eat food in here for like dinner and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we do this.
That was fucking
Say what? Look at the man behind me. Bro, she was trying to get hit. I think she was drunk. I think she was a little drunk. She a little tipsy. She cool though. She cool. She tried to push us with you though. She tried. And you want Phoenix actually says that's your girlfriend? Phoenix, she how she want to talk to say she was like
Yeah, so
what is that piece at?
46, not even 12 a.m. yet, y'all. And we probably gonna be out here.
Let me get you right, cuz. I was showing her. Come on, cuz. Here.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be back. Y'all, they been taking pictures. I'm pretty sure. Who wear it best, y'all?
Yeah, son.
Who wear it best, y'all? Me or him? I think it's me. So y'all let me know. Who wear his hoodie best, y'all? Got the jeans. Hopefully y'all enjoying this vlog. And yeah. But hey y'all. So it is 6:06 April 25th. I mean, August 25th. And we're headed back home. Headed back home. Woke up at like 3, 4. Got here. I feel like don't leave until 8. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. So, we depart at 7. So I think I'm gonna find something to eat. And yeah, hopefully I like this song. I feel like I wasn't able to really film that much on this trip, or at least as much as I wanted to. But
go to sleep, cuz. I ain't go to sleep. You want to sleep? I ain't go to sleep. I'm tired.
so you ignore my text? You ignore my text?
No. I wasn't on my phone. I watched TV.
Hey, what up, y'all? Y'all heard that? I'm about to go get something to eat, and I will talk to you. What you gotta say to them, Jay?
Nothing, bro.
You ready to go home?
Yes, bro.
You ready to go home?
Yes, bro. I'm walking home, bro.
Bro, this was a troll. He took off so he walked out. Please. Mommy?
You too. What's up, bro? We back to another banger. You see me at the airport. We about to go back home. Look at this dude. Hold on, y'all.
Baby, they would love him. You should let him do it. I'm just playing the game, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all, we trying to find the Starbucks. I think I'm gonna ask somebody. I know it's that's
Guys.
Burger King. I don't think it's nothing more down there, Katie.
Let me see. Let me see, Katie. Katie, let me see. I just know Barry. Let me see. Larry.
Hello, I'm Broward County Mayor Dan Rich. On behalf of the entire Broward County Commission, welcome to International Airport. Whether you are
Okay, what up,
you want to experience everything under the sun.
guys? We're trying to find a Starbucks, and we cannot find one, and we're just going back to Washington. So,
Dine out at world-class restaurants, take a ride on the water taxi, or stay a night at the iconic Hard Rock Guitar Hotel. Major League Soccer fans can see Inter Miami play at the Chase Stadium in Fort Lauderdale, and hockey fans can watch our Stanley Cup champions, the Florida Panthers, play at the Amarant Bank Arena in Sunrise. However you choose to spend your day, we know you will enjoy the stay. Once again, welcome to Broward County. Bienvenidos a todos nuestros amigos.
See? Don't he be sipping?
can I get some of the drink?
Yeah, we here because the Starbucks is too far. You know, for like but
Meditating, waiting, shouldn't have dated. I've been contemplating, meditating, waiting, shouldn't have dated.